I already finished the first one. I wanted to test the waters before I show you guys.
Where you get the money for them shoes, girl? You hit me.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Must Have Mustangs. My name is Coco. So today I'm gonna be installing, it says tire stickers, but tire lettering on Mustang. Alright, so I got this package from eBay. It comes with 2 sides for each tire, so a total of 8 of each letter or whatever. This is how they come. It's got some logos and whatnot. It's a bunch of letters. It says whatever company you wanted to say. I went with Goodyear, just like my tire brand. Yeah, you get plenty of them. You just gotta arrange them. I got it off eBay. I'm gonna put the link in the description because a lot of companies are selling these for like 70-80 bucks, but I only got these for like 20 bucks. And like I said, it comes 2 sides for every tire. What I did was I arranged all these letters. I decided to go with 1 side for each tire because I'm gonna need new tires soon. I'm gonna put the rest of them on the new tires. I'm gonna go with 1 on each tire right now. I did arrange them. This, if I put this on my tires, it will be nicely arranged, and I use this to lay the letters on like that, and you know. But first I had to get the measurements and go on Photoshop to do the actual measurements, print out the paper. As you can see, this printed out as like 1 sheet of paper, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I taped them together, but as you can tell, I only needed this piece. It's easy. You can just do it on the tire, put the paper on there, trace it with the pencil and cut it out. I'm gonna be using this next time also because it fits perfectly. Yeah, so what I did was I arranged all of them on this cardboard, then I put tape on top of it, so when I take the tape off, it all comes as it is right now. I went ahead and sprayed the tire with some degreaser, and I scrubbed it with some soapy water and I rinsed it off. I did that to all of the 4 tires. I'm just waiting for it to dry. What I'm gonna do next is sand it down a little bit, like wherever I want to put it. I'm gonna sand it down, and we're gonna have to use super glue to stick those things on. Unfortunately, they don't give you super glue because they ship it overseas and they're not allowed to do that, but you can just stop at a dollar store and get some. I already finished the first one. I wanted to test the waters before I show you guys. Yeah, as you can see here, I put a little too much glue on that one, it started dripping off. I'm gonna show you how to do the other one. As you can see, most of them are seating perfectly, and others you have to go back and like wet the edges with some glue and tape it, make sure not to get a lot of it. And others you gotta push them on like that until they dry out and blow on it. Yep. Okay, so lay them down on the ground like this next to the tire, and just basically go in the middle with some glue and try to spread it as much as you can. Don't overdo it because it's gonna drip like it happened. Just go ahead and center it. Some pressure for about 10 seconds or so. Okay, once it dries a little bit, you can go ahead and start taking off the tape. So just easily hold the letter, peel back on the tape. That's 1 letter. Now I'm gonna go back and check the edges on these ones. Okay, as you can see, that side is done. I wonder how it would look with 2 of them. I'm not gonna go ahead and do it, but just saying. Check out them calipers, boy. If you guys are wondering, I already went ahead and tested if it comes off. I had some extra stars that they gave me. I tested out on my sister's bike. I put some super glue a couple of days ago. I tried to peel it off this morning, but you can see the tires kind of like coming off with it. Yeah, so that's how good it is. I'm done. I did all of them. Let's check it out. The car is filthy. That's how it looks. I mean, I like it. 20 bucks, not bad. Can't wait to get new tires and do that on them too. That was it for today's video. Thank you for watching, and please make sure to like and subscribe and recommend this to your friends. And if you have any questions, let me know. I'll be more than happy to help you out.